Morning, guys. Today I'm actually doing my weekly analysis a day later. I had a lot of things on, so I didn't have the chance to do my analysis on Sunday. But I'm just going to do my weekly analysis on Monday instead, which is 18th of February 2019. First, starting with gold. Gold did follow last week analysis when I was targeting 1325, so we did touch it today. But now it's something that I'm focusing on now is it going to turn around from current price, or is it going to get to 35 to 45? This is a weekly chart here, and this trend line there, that is actually the breakout, long-term breakout. This is where the breakout took place. That was last year. Now the market is going back to retest this trend line here. So this is the area that my selling area. Probably we start taking position from 1330 to 1335. So this is the area that I will be focusing on, 1330 to 1335. I will be watching this area to see what kind of reaction we get around there, or could possibly get a test at 40. So this is the area that I will be looking, and then I will be looking for short position, and I'll be targeting from there. I'll be targeting around 1280, 1260 area. So that is where I'm watching out. Let's see how the market react around this area. We might get a short pullback from current price, maybe back to 1316, 1320, 1316, yeah, possible. So that is the area that I'm focusing on. Might see a pullback, but I would be more interested to see if the market get to around 30, 35, and then to take a short position. That would be an ideal setup for me. If you can see this actually the breakout took place around here. That was last year. So market just gone back to retest this area again. So is it going to, this is where I'll be expecting a lot of selling pressure, regardless of when it's get there, around 1340. So that is the area that will be a lot of fight going on. As you can see it there, this is market turn. This is where the market turns. So that is a significant level there. And from there, if we see a reversal, that's when we'll be expecting towards this move here. So even possibly from where it is, could see this. This is the move I'm looking for around this area. Maybe there, maybe here. And we need to watch out for this area. This is where I will be looking to sell, and then I'll be targeting around this area. So that's my goal setup for right now. Is more of waiting game to see what market do around this area. We might see a pullback from current position, as I said. The reason for that is it's just going around. It's just gone back to retest the 2 weeks high. The reason I'm not shorting right now is because of Friday took out the last week high. So we don't know how the investor is going to look into that side. So this is, let me make it bigger so you guys can see it. Then it just gone back to test this area here. So we'll watch out for this area. Short term, we possibly get short term sell. Maybe the stop just above this high, and then look for short, and we'll probably see market back to 13 area again. So this is where you could see some bouncing around this area. But right now, as I said, this is the area that I'm focusing on, 35 to 40 area, because I will be expecting a lot of selling pressure on this area. So I'll be watching out for today's close as well. That could give us some clue what to which direction we could possibly expect this week. So it's still, I'm more towards sell, but I am not taking my position now. Still, there's room for one more push to the top. There's room for enough room for price to rally to the maybe another 150 pips. Then it would be ideal setup for myself. So let's see on 4 hourly, can we actually see any indication? Any indication? No, it's hovering around above moving average as well, 10 moving. 4-hour stochastic quite flat at the top. We like to see this stochastic is pointing downwards before we think about shorting, taking short position. Right now, it isn't overbought, but it's flat. It's to the top. But overbought doesn't mean market going to drop. It could just continue again. So 4-hourly, there's no indication of sell as yet. Can we see on 1-hourly maybe a pullback? No, there's no indication of pullback on 4-hourly either. But it's sitting there pretty much for 1, 2, 3, 4 hours sitting there. So you might be, we might see one rally and then we'll probably see selling pressure. So if you guys do take position, don't take too, stop loss, don't take it too big. Just watch out for this area, and main focus should be around 35 to 40. This is the area that if we could get a position there, that is the area of reversal, and then we can target all the way down here, and then follow through. So that's my view on gold, guys. Just be patient with gold. Let's see if we get those areas. If we get to those areas, and let's see how the market react. Right, cheers.